Welcome to the Mohammed Al Mansour Component Rebuild Centre. My name is Andy Sarson and I'm the CRC Operations Manager here at Mantrac Ghana Limited. At Mantrac we have the expertise as well as the tooling and the parts inventory to provide a fast, dependable hydraulic cylinder repair on all types of Caterpillar equipment. This service is extended to non-Caterpillar products as well, whereby we can provide the best repair option to suit your needs. We only use genuine Caterpillar or OEM parts and have one of the most meticulous inspection processes in the industry, ensuring your equipment will be up and running in no time, and also to give you a peace of mind that your hydraulic system is performing at its best. So thank you for your time today in viewing this video. We hope you found the information useful. Please contact one of our product support sales representatives and ask out more about Mantrac's hydraulic cylinder repair capabilities. We look forward to hearing from you soon.